Good Friday evening, everyone. I'm forecaster Tyler Allender. 5:45 is the time, and you're thinking about dinner, and the storms are trying to disrupt them. The storms inland are getting stronger. Arcadia, lots of lightning with that storm in DeSoto County. But offshore, we have more light to moderate rain trying to move onshore, but it's kind of breaking up at the same time. So as this begins to move onshore, some of it will survive and some of it won't. So basically, bring the umbrella is the bottom line on your way to dinner. Clouds have kept us socked in and have kept the temperatures down today out of the 90s in many areas. And overnight, lows will be in the low to mid 70s with that onshore flow. So 75 in Venice, 74 in Sarasota and in Bradenton, and we'll be dodging those showers throughout the evening. Now Saturday, less widespread activity. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, though, are still in the forecast. They won't be as persistent in nature. The more persistent storms will be to our north and Georgia and parts of the Carolinas. Now, forecast highs for your Saturday. Lots of time outdoors. You're hoping, well, again, we'll watch for those scattered storms, but highs will be near 90 degrees. Overall, not a bad day compared to some of the wet weather we've seen lately. Now, in the tropics, we have a couple flare-ups every once in a while in these tropical waves, but I don't expect anything to develop because we have Saharan dust coming off the coast of Africa, and we have strong upper-level winds. These are enemies for tropical systems to develop. So, in other words, I don't expect anything to develop today or really through the weekend. Now, boating, you saw that very quickly. Offshore waters will be 2 to 3 feet. Winds will shift onshore in the afternoon. Your 7-day forecast shows that 40% chance of storms all weekend long. And then as we go into early next week, even less rain, inland storms in the afternoon, but it means hotter temperatures region-wide. Here you can see the water spout just offshore. Luckily, it stayed offshore and didn't really affect anyone, but if I were that guy, I would get out of the water. But you can see as we go throughout the afternoon, clouds will increase, and we even have some storms in the forecast. So you might want to pick up the kids from the bus stop this afternoon if you can, because there will be scattered and numerous showers and storms around the area. Good morning, everyone. I'm forecaster Tyler Allender out here at the Sarasota Farmers Market downtown on Main Street, and it's a pretty nice day, start to the day, but we do have some showers just offshore. We're crossing our fingers that they'll stay offshore until afternoon. Moisture is definitely going to be increasing. You can see that here on the satellite picture, just a few clouds right now, but again, that'll be changing as we go into the afternoon and really the rest of the weekend. High temperatures in the upper 80s right along the coast today, low 90s in our inland areas. Where's the center? You'd naturally think it would be right here in the middle, but it's actually more down here on the western side. And we have the latest stats for you coming up in just a second. I mentioned everything is on the east side of the storm, so keep in mind, say the center goes up here toward the northern Gulf Coast, all the moisture is going to be on the eastern side, and that could be over Tallahassee or pretty close to it. Yeah, thanks guys. Looking pretty good. We do have one fly in the ointment though, and that's some shower activity moving in from east to west. And it's just enough to kind of cool things off a little bit further. High temperatures today, we're in the upper 80s, and that's really the coolest temperature we've seen in the afternoon all month long. In fact, August 25th was the last time we saw a high temperature of 88 degrees or cooler. So again, a nice little shower moving through from time to time, but not a big deal. You can see the temperature swing that we've seen over the last 24 hours. Yesterday, we were cooking 93, 94 degrees. Of course, temperatures dropped off as they do overnight, and then we only rose into the mid to upper 80s this afternoon, so it was definitely a refreshing change. High temperature was 88 degrees officially, 73 was the morning low, so pretty much right on cue, especially for the afternoon high. Even though it seems like it's cooler than average, we're really just bumping it down to seasonable normals. 81 degrees right now at dinner hour, mostly cloudy skies, a little bit of added moisture because of the rain we've seen as of late, with that nice easterly breeze coming in at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So temperatures elsewhere are in the 80s, no 90s on the map. Again, the first time in weeks that we've seen this, even really months probably. 82 in Thomasville, 84 in St. Mark's, 85 in Apalachicola. And again, the moisture a little high at the surface because of the recent shower activity that's moving through, but overall, it's going to be pretty comfortable the next couple of days, and I think we'll see less shower activity the next couple of days around our area. Most of the rain by far is in our peninsula areas. Lots of rain continues. They've had rain there for days. Now I want to show you what's going on in the tropics as we've been talking about. This disturbance down here in the Yucatan Peninsula and the Bay of Campeche is kind of just sitting there, and it's trying to organize into a tropical system. No matter what it does, it's going to slowly develop, it looks like, and just push a lot of moisture up toward Florida. Meanwhile, we have a frontal system in the northern midsection of the country, and that's scooting southward, and that's going to also enhance our rain chances this weekend and into early next week. So for the next couple of days, though, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the refreshing, somewhat cool temperatures, because by the weekend, hopefully after the game, the moisture will be on the up and up. Tonight, temperatures in the upper 60s, less muggy. Tomorrow, we're going to see high temperatures once again below 90 degrees with those mostly sunny skies and a nice little breeze at times. If you're taking the boat out on Thursday, easterly winds 10 knots, seas about 1 to 2 feet. And here's your 7-day forecast. Notice how we keep the rain chances at bay at least through Saturday or so. Then late Saturday into Sunday, up the rain chances go. Temperatures respond accordingly, and then hopefully drying out early next week.